Hey guys, welcome back to the next lecture. In this one, we're going to be learning how to set the print margins, okay? Or the page breaks, or the boundaries, whatever you want to call it. Now, what I'm going to show you first, before we start actually modifying it, we're going to figure out what the actual problem is. Now, if you look at what we have right now, it looks pretty normal. But if we did print it, this is how it's going to fit on our piece of paper. So I'm going to go to page layout view. So if that's our piece of paper there, it's going to be on the left side in the top left corner or so. Now that's the first problem. The second problem is not all of this information is actually going to print and appear on the paper when you press print. Now I'm going to go to the page break preview. Now if you look at this area here, that is the only part that's going to turn up when you print. Okay? The rest of the stuff isn't going to turn up. So I'm going to show you that by saving a PDF file like so. Okay, PDF. Alright. Now this is just a quick way of showing what it's going to look like on paper. Alright, that's what it's going to look like. As you can see, none of the other data has actually shown up. So what we want to do is bring that data into our print. Okay, so the location, it's still going to be on the left side. That we're going to fix later. Okay, but for now, what we want to do is have all the information included. Okay, so let's close this. All right, now there are two ways to modify your print margins. The first way, we're going to do it using the print area button. Okay, so the way to do that is you want to select the area that you want to include in your print area, like so. Okay, so I'm going to select all the way down here. All right, once you've done that, you want to go to page layout at the top. Then you want to go page setup, print area, and then set print area. And what's going to happen is that blue margin is going to expand like so. Okay, so now you can see all the information is included. Anything in this gray area is not going to be included. Okay, so if we go back to page layout, what we're going to see is it fits beautifully on our piece of paper. Well, not beautifully, but it fits on our piece of paper. And you'll also note this dotted line or this dash line. That is your page break. So what we'll do now is print it again by going File, Save As. Didn't work for some reason. We'll try that again. Yep. All right, let's go PDF. Here we go. And print it again. Yes. Now, this is what it's going to look like now. So as you can see, we brought in more information. We brought in all of our information. Okay, so that's the first step. Now, the next thing I'm going to show you is how to set it manually. Okay, so let's reverse this. I'm going to put it back to where it was originally. Okay. So if you don't want to do the first way, which is fine, you can do it this way, which I actually prefer because, I don't know, it's more like just personal preference, but I leave it up to you. So I'm going to zoom in first, like so. Now the way to adjust the boundaries is almost like resizing a photo, right, in Excel. What you want to do is you want to grab the edge, anywhere in the edge, okay? And you want to pull it, so click and drag to as far as you want, okay? Or as close as you want, like so. So let's do that for the bottom. Let me zoom out again. All right, and you want to just grab the bottom, and your cursor is going to change to a double black arrow. And Excel, as always, will give you a preview of where it's going to be, okay? And there we go. And we set it. Now, if we go back to the page layout, all our information is included. And there you have it. All right, guys, that's it for me. Just a quick one. And I will see you guys next time.